Hello, my name is JT Rooney and I am a student at the University of Cincinnati in Cincinnati, Ohio. The University of Cincinnati is an educational partner with NorCom, and I'm going to tell you about their new product, NCPower Compact. This product is a complete media solution newsroom management tool. NCPower Compact's core of its system is the newsroom itself and the management of all of its assets. Therefore, it's going to show you how you can collect all of your articles, videos, audio, pictures, everything you need in your newsroom and make it in the most convenient and effective workflow that you can possibly have. It is a collaboration platform for journalists, directors, graphic designers, and editors, and it can be scaled and configured for each of their individual needs. There are numerous gateways that provide a seamless integration of adjacent video, graphics, automation, playout, and archiving systems so that your station can have a complete workflow that is seamless. NCPower Compact is optimized for much smaller to medium-sized stations as opposed to NorCom's other product, NCPower Pro, which is completely customizable. NCPower Compact comes ready with full optimization for use with products such as Final Cut Pro, InScribe, Airbox, and Adobe Premiere. It also features a central user administration and powerful authorization systems that allow the entire newsroom to work together in a cohesive manner. I'm going to now take you into the NCPower Compact client. This client will be how you log into your program. If you click on the Details tab in the Login dialog, you can see that there are many options, particularly in language. NCPower is available in English, German, Russian, French, and other languages. You can also change the keyboard set depending on what computer you're working on. Also, at this point, you can change your server settings if necessary. Once you are logged into NCPower Compact, you will see your main window views. On the left, you will see the navigation tree, as well as the favorites box below that. In the middle, you will see the search window, and on the far right, you will see your full view window number 1. A normal view could possibly look something like this, with a rundown search and an actual view of the rundowns that are going to happen onto your station. We will continue talking about the different types of rundowns later in this demonstration. First, we will talk about how you can minimize the majority of your windows by clicking the Minimize button. This will keep the ticker at the top, which is extremely important because the ticker forms also as a message inbox. You can see now that I have a message from one of the users, as well as to the far right, you can see how many messages you have received and have not read yet. This is extremely important for when you leave the office or leave your workstation. You can come back and see how many messages are waiting for you. Once you enter back into the program, unminimizing all of your windows, you can click on your message, see what that person had to say to you, and even view the attachment. In this case, they're asking me to look at the current rundown to see if I approve of it. Specifically, we're going to talk about the navigation tree at this point. It is set up with individual nodes just like a Windows Explorer view, so that you can click on the nodes to the side of each category and see the different things in each category, whether it's specific categories of images, specific wires on the RSS feed as opposed to all of the RSS. Next to the navigation tree window is the search window. This is where all of your searches are opened up. For example, if I was going to open up a wire and do a search, then you will see all of the results. Here you can see a portion of the article, as well as the title, the time, what feed it is from. Looking through these options, you can see what we call the cool bar in the top. From here, by clicking the sign for Full View Window 1 or Full View Window 2, you can open that story in the full text form. You can return to this window and continue browsing through the other stories. It is also possible to search through these stories using the cursor key instead of the mouse, which I am doing at this point. You can scroll down fairly fast this way if you're looking for something very specific. When you reach the end after 50 articles, it will automatically re-update so you can continue scrolling for a very long amount of time. Also, from this window, you can either minimize or maximize the stories so that you can see just the title, just the time. You can also make it larger. When you want to open a story that you have found, you can simply press the Enter key. To return to the search window, press the left cursor arrow, and you continue browsing. Moving on from the search window is the full view window. This is where all the processing is carried out in NCPower Compact. From this point, you can save these stories, print them, open them up in external applications such as Final Cut or Premiere, view the internet, or approve these stories for your newsroom. Also at this point, you can create new stories, as well as open different types of video, new audio, or other documents such as Adobe PDFs, Microsoft Word, or Excel. At this point, we will show you how to edit a rundown in the full view window. In this window, you can see the planned schedule that is going on over the air. To show the processing power of this window, I will now drag and drop a video file into the actual rundown. Therefore, when this program is actually carried out over the air, that video file, as you can see highlighted in red, is now part of the actual rundown. Before we move on from overviewing all of the windows in NCPower Compact, I would like to re-emphasize the importance of the main window at the top. As I said before, this serves as a message window for all of the workers using NCPower Compact. To show again how to make a message that will show up there, I'm going to attach this video rundown as a message. In this point in time, I'm going to title it to myself as a user, and I can create a subject that's just like a regular mail message. And at this point, you can also see that the rundown is in fact attached. Then, when I send this message, it will appear at the very top. Therefore, if I'm working in another application and I have all of my windows minimized, so that if I'm viewing other things such as PDF files, I will still be able to see the messages that appear at the top. Therefore, I can then click on that message and open it up in the full view window, once again viewing the attachment.